In today's recipe, we're gonna be doing a pumpkin pie overnight oats. So you will need half a cup of oats, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. I'm actually using cashew milk here though. Half a scoop of vanilla, or maybe perhaps you have a pumpkin spice protein powder. 1/3 cup of canned pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and optional is 1 teaspoon of chia seeds if you want to add a little bit more nutrients in there. I also have some vanilla, French vanilla, stevia now, just to make it sweet because I like my stuff extra sweet. So we are basically going to put this all together. So I kind of weighed everything out. Normally I would be doing more than 1 serving, but for the simplicity of this recipe, I'm totally gonna get this all over the place. I should really grab a bowl. 1 sec. We'll just do this just to see. And I still made a mess. Anyways, that's good. So we've got the oats. I like to then put my milk in just so we can get soaking. And then we're literally going to just basically put everything in together. This is like the easiest recipe ever. I just do a couple that, and then I'm just going to do this. And then our vanilla, I'm always eyeballing things, but I wanted to give you guys the proper serving sizes just to make sure that it tastes just how you want it. So pumpkin puree is so good for you. You want to make sure it's not the pie filling, it's just the pure pumpkin. It's a really good source of vitamin A, obviously lots of fiber, and I feel like it's not very often that we actually use like a lot of pumpkin. Anything that you buy, usually for like say Starbucks drinks or something like that, pumpkin actually has the most, like all those drinks and things that you buy in the store, has the most artificial kind of crap in them, unfortunately. So doing stuff at home like this is perfect. So basically, it smells so good. So you're just gonna stir it up. Like I said, I'm just doing 1 just to show you, but I would make about 5 of these up at once. And as the week goes on, it gets better and better, I swear, just because it has that much more time to sink in. So you can do this, you can add some nuts on top or some cinnamon as well, but just a very simple recipe to follow along with and then get your protein in. So I'll put the macros on the screen so you know what the calories are. You can obviously add more protein powder in there if you want to make it a little bit more thick and add more protein in as well. So here we are. So this goes in the fridge. I'd wait at least overnight for it and enjoy.